In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay someone on Venmo with a credit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You have plenty of different options to pay someone on Venmo, including a debit card, a bank account, and of course, a credit card. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access all of these payment methods and register a new credit card to your Venmo account. So to start, choose the Pay/Request option that you see on the middle of your screen here. So tap on Pay and Request, and then input the name, username, email, or phone number of the recipient. You can also scan a QR code if you prefer. So once you choose any of these options, you will be able to start this process. Input the specific amount that you will be paying them. You can double check the recipient that you selected at the top if you would like to be sure. Their name will also appear over here over the amount, and then you can input an optional description, so the reason for this payment. This isn't strictly necessary, only if you would like to prefer to include it. Then you choose the pay option after you input the amount. Now, by default, your Venmo balance will be selected. What you have to do to add a new card is to tap on the balance, so when you tap on your Venmo balance, you will see the payment methods available. Your balance will be displayed at the top, and now you will see banks. So if you have a bank account attributed here, you can pay using it. There will be no fee attached to it, or alternatively, choose Add a Bank/Card. By choosing this option, you will be able to select to add a new card, and then you can input the details about a credit card specifically. So it is simple to do. Sadly, for this video, I cannot show you the full process of adding the credit card, but it's as simple as inputting the card number, expiration date, and security code. All of these details will be verified, and if they are valid and legitimate, the card will be linked here. So a new category will appear, your card will be listed, and you will be able to select it to initiate this payment on Venmo. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay someone on Venmo with credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.